Hello guys, welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna discuss with you about Vue.js 3. The complexity of the Vue.js. Vue.js is very easy to learn and to start with. As I discussed earlier, a beginner can take the CDN library for Vue.js and to get start the CodePen and JS fiddle. Okay, for Angular and we need to go through the series of the steps installation. It is little difficult for the beginners to get started with the Angular. It is the TypeScript for coding which is difficult for the people coming from core JavaScript background. However, it is easier to the learn use for use belonging to the Java and C# background. Okay, then performance. Actually Vue.js is a lot of performance. Their simplicity and their this Vue.js framework is lightweight and to decided to the performance, and it is up to the users. Vue.js file size is much lighter than Angular. A comparison of their framework performance is provided in the following link. You will check it. I will give it description in this link. Okay. Dependency. What is dependency of the Vue.js? Actually, Angular provides a lot of built-in the feature. We have to import it of the required modules and to get started Angular the animation and Angular form. That others on the contrary, Vue.js doesn't have all the built-in the feature as the Angular and needs to the dependent the third-party libraries to work on it. Okay, then dependency. I already discussed it about the dependency. Now I will discuss about flexibility. Okay, Vue.js can be easily more merged with another big project without any issue. Angular will not that easy to start working with any existing project. Oh, now Vue.js featured like that backward compatibility. We had AngularJS 2, and now Angular 4, and AngularJS and Angular 2 have vast different. But project application developed in the AngularJS cannot be converted to the Angular 2 because of the core differences. Okay. The recent version of the Vue.js is 2.0 and 3.0, like that Vue 3. It is good with the backward compatibility. It provides good documentation which is very easy and to understand. I hope you will understand. You can understand it. Okay. Then TypeScript is the one kind of Angular uses of the TypeScript for its coding. Users need to have knowledge of the TypeScript to get started with the Angular. However, we can start with the Vue.js coding anywhere in the JS field or CodePen using the CDN library. We can work with the standard JavaScript, which is very easy to start with. Okay. Then Vue.js versus Ember similarities. Actually, I think Ember provides Ember command line tool and Ember CLI for easy to installation and compiling for Ember project. Vue.js has also command line to the Vue CLI to start and build the project. Okay, they both of feature as such as route template component, which is makes the very rich as a UI framework. Okay, then performance. Like that Vue.js has a better performance comparison to the Ember. Ember has added to the glamour and rendering the engine with the aim of improving the render performance, which is the similar concept of the Vue.js and React using the virtual DOM. For that, I think this performance is the better than Ember.js, which is the similar concept of the Vue.js and React using virtual DOM. However, Vue.js has the better performance when compared to the Ember.js. Okay, then Vue.js versus Knockout. Okay, I think I can. I don't use it the Knockout because I don't do any project with this not Knockout framework. For that, I cannot explain this good, but I know that Knockout provides a good browser support and it is supported of the lower version of the IE, whereas Vue.js is not supported with the IE8 and below. Knockout development has slowed down over time. There is not much popularity for the same is a recent times. I think knockout is not a better than mm, not much easier to the Vue.js. That's it. On the other hand, Vue.js has just started gaining popularity with the Vue team providing regular updates and their regular activities and regular performance and component base. There's a lot of amazing feature coming in the future. The Vue.js 3, that's good, and I think that's the best, better than Knockout. Okay, for that I cannot use Knockout. I don't use Knockout. Okay, so Vue.js WhatsApp Polymer, like that. Polymer is the library has been developed by the Google. It is used in the many Google projects such as Google I/O, Google Earth, and Google Play Music, etc. It offers data binding and computed properties similar to the Vue.js. Okay, Polymer custom element definition, comparison plugin, JavaScript element properties, lifecycle, callbacks, and JavaScript method in comparison. Vue.js allow to the easily use of the JavaScript HTML and CSS. Polymer uses of the development component feature and requires poly fields and for browsers which does not support it, their feature. Vue.js doesn't have such as dependency and others find the all browsers for the IE 9 plus. Okay, uh, that's it. And in this tutorial now I will discuss about the Vue.js 3 all features, and that's it. Now today I will finish this tutorial in the okay. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the webcodecamp, and if you want to like this my tutorial, and I hope you will subscribe my channel. Best of luck. Oh,